Okay, question number 2, an arithmetic progression contains 25 terms. So that's mean the number of terms we are given, which is 25. The first term is minus 15, and the sum of all the terms in the progression. So that's mean S25 is given, which is 525. And then it says calculate the common difference of the progression. So we can use the sum formula since we have given a sum. So n by 2 times 2a1 plus n minus 1 times the difference. So that's mean S25 is equal to 25 by 2, 2 times minus 15 plus 25 minus 1 times the difference. So as 25 is 525 and 25 by 2 times minus 30 plus 24d. So if you simplify this, so you will get the value of d, which is 3. Okay. In the next part, it says the last term in the progression. So that means he's asking us to find the last term, so an. So here in this case, so an is basically a25th. So we need to find a25th. And the formula is an is equal to a1 plus n minus 1 times d. So a25 is equal to minus 15 plus 25 minus 1 times the difference. So a25 will be 57. So which means the last term is 57. Okay, in the next part it says the sum of all the positive terms in the progression. So here we need to find the sum of all positive terms. So which we can see what are the positive terms over here. So it's like from 3, 6 and so on till 57. So these will be the positive terms. And then together how many terms are there? So this is like 19 terms. So we can calculate the sum to this 19th term, which will be 19 by 2, and then 2 times the first term is 3 plus 19 minus 1 times the common difference, which is 3. So then if we simplify this, so that's mean the sum to this 19th terms, or the sum of all positive terms, is 570. Okay, here in this question it says a college agrees a sponsorship deal in which grants will be received each year for sports equipment. This grant will be 4,000 in 2012 and will increase by 5% each year. Calculate the value of the grant in 2022. So here we can see A1 is given, which is $4,000, and the common ratio, it says 5% increase, so that's mean 100% plus 5%. So R will be equal to 1.05. So the value of the grant in 2022, so we can use the formula AN is equal to A1 R to the power of n minus 1. So then there are 11 years, so this will be 4,000 times 1.05 to the power of 11 minus 1. So A11 will be equal to 6515.5 $. Okay, in the next part it says the total amount college will receive in the year 2012 to 2022 inclusive. So he's asking the total amount, so that means we should use the sum formula. So there are two sum formulas, but here we need to see which one can we use. So since we are given a ratio which is 1.05, which is greater than 1, so we should use A1 times r to the power n minus 1 over r minus 1. So then, how many number of years are there? 10, 11. Because it says 2022 inclusive, so that's why there must be 11 years. So S11 is equal to 4000 times 1.05 to the power of 11 minus 1 over 1.05 minus 1. And then here, once we calculate this one, so S11 will be equal to 56,800